Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making a tropical healthy fruit smoothie. So let's get into it. This was one of my favorites. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients you're going to need for today's smoothie. I have frozen cantaloupe, frozen pineapple, frozen banana, half a lemon, and coconut water. So you're going to add a couple pieces, well a few pieces, 4 pieces of pineapple to your mixer, whatever mixer you're using. This portion is for one person. If you're doing for multiple, you already know, just double everything. But this is for just me for my morning smoothie this morning, and it's enough to fill one glass. You're gonna add the lemon juice on top, and then you're going to add your coconut water. I like to use frozen fruit because I like it cold. I can't drink on room temperature smoothie. I can't. Y'all, I can't. It has to be like really cold. So that's why I freeze everything. And freezing it for me helps me save on fruit because I can't eat the fruit as fast as, as fast as it dies. Because, fruit and vegetables, especially organic ones, they spoil fast. So this is what it looks like. It smells so good. I'm drinking it right now as I'm doing this voiceover. That's it's very tropically. That's not a word, but I love the pineapple and banana in here. It gives me like pina colada vibes. So I hope you guys give this a try and comment and let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching.